Hey, if you want to pair your JBL Tune 125 with any Android device like Android smartphone or Android tablet, first of all, you will have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds from the case. And in most cases, they will start blinking like this. So let me just catch focus on them. There we go. As you can see, they are blinking like this. But right now we are not in the pairing mode, because when you are in the pairing mode, you will get the quick blinking like this one, fast blinking. So now after like 10 to 15 seconds, they will go into the pairing mode. But if you don't have this pairing mode enabled, you will have to enable this pairing mode manually by holding both buttons until this right earbud starts blinking like this. Next, you can open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, turn them on, and from the available devices, you will have to select JBL Tune 125 and just click on them. Now you will have to accept the pairing request, and as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.